Aban or ye Juma, we're free more and young kind. Remember, Sienna, Yako, ye 9 year Winsivo, near ye Juma and Magana, yen penny for Baby Echo, yes, young any and Twasso, near Fanti Ghana, near Mana, Cosono, and so no, a baby near my brave so. How I was say, you CSC, ye military. Now, wanted to me respond to emergencies. How are you retooling your military? Then now, Ghana, Yanya Baku, near fancy, and you say, Baye Niema, Amagana, Afan to my cry. And that year, you were a yemu, a Busiania bray or mino, any abre. You know, Yama winning trim. Nadia was a CC where Chinese, young fast on CC.
But the okay, no concerning military, and they said there was a show Macadie provided no. Cause baby no one by a ban of helicopter, but did you and we will say, Castle Mino in here. Some course, we say a brass also mine focus on.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, we are someone, can, but a woman, I'm on your sem about betrim. Yema, police and our military and our state organizations, institutions. I can't hear when you be here, the Ayoma Jumano. And your idea was here the politics. She said, Ghana, at Renchemi Esi, not 70 grand for another set of helicopters, and crash site. It points to some deficiencies in the execution of orders because the tools are not there to deliver. And you will expect, say, at the AC, within about 20 minutes, a whole military set of helicopters will get to the crash accident scene to recover. But chronomo a ben hono and I want to fufa it tells us that there is a readiness challenge and we have to deal with it as a matter of urgency. We have to deal with it. You will expect a helicopter carrying the Minister for Defense of the Republic of Ghana. You know information within seconds off radar that the helicopter is off radar, and within minutes we are not able to scramble and deploy other helicopters to the area, either for rescue or recovery. I mean, now ministers and now I mean, it is a sad situation. It's an eyesore for the Republic. It's something that we have to deal with it immediately in a bipartisan matter. It tells us that there are gaps that has to be plugged. That has to be done immediately.
As a former minister of agriculture, last one, Nancy, who said video says circulate a cocoa for Jina Muchichum Coco, somebody for Galam say. Why you must for the one now when you cook? Mammy,
Cocoa Asemno, Yebeka, and Nedia, Yashebrisi. Ebusuania bre o man ye my bre na yenye ye enwie mesra wo sabe ebusua ya o mane boama se wure fi a ye kwawni ne yire ebusua pani eneme enenye da ye beka koko ye benya mini bebre ya ka koko asem enedie ma me nsom madehie medase